Today, we are going to learn about the long A sounds. Are you excited? Long A sounds are the words that has the name of the letter. All of the sounds that you are going to learn is sounding by A as its letter names. Like bay. You will not pronounce it as by. You will not say it as by, but you are going to say it as bay. Bay. You are near in a bay when you are near in the ocean or near the seashore. Bay. Can you repeat after me? Let us read together. Say bay. B, a, but not anymore a, but a. B, a, y. So you say bay. Next, d, a, and y. Letter A here is sounding as A or its letter names because we are now in the long A sound. So you say it as day, but not die. Okay? Repeat after me. Say day, day. You can say that it's a day when there's a sunlight. How about this? Do you know that the name of this girl is Faye? A Y Faye. Can you repeat after me? Faye. How about this? G A Y. You'll say gay. Do you know what's a gay mean? It means happy. Happy means gay. How about this? This is J. J is a boy. Can you look at the picture? What is this one doing? He is laying on the ground. Everybody say L A Y. Lay. Repeat after me. Say lay. Oh, the calendar shows A Y May. Do not say my, say May. Come on, repeat after me. May. How about the picture? What can you say about the video on the side of the word? Someone is paying money. You say a y. You say pay. Repeat after me says pay. Oh, what do you think is this? This is a planet having a heat ray. The planet has a ray coming out. It's a it's a band of heat and it is called ray. A Y. You say ray. Repeat after me and say ray. Can you hear what he says? A, y, you will say. How about this? Every day we are going on the way to school. W, A, Y, wait. Can you repeat after me? Say, wait. It's story time. Are you ready to hear a story? The story is about Faye and Jane. Again, Faye and Jane. Faye and Jay wants to play. Children, do you also love to play? They want to play in a bay. Have you seen them? At their back, they are on the bay. Wow, it feels good in a bay. Why do you think it feels good in a bay? So what did Faye do? Faye lays in a sand. Can you see what Faye is doing? She's laying in the sand. She's enjoying in the sand. Her belly touches the sand. How about Jay? What does Jay doing? Jay plays in the sand. Jay is forming the sand into a mini castle. Have you done it when you were in the beach? Jay plays in the sand. Oh, they are happy and gay.